everybody, Harold here. After watching my videos on SQL, pandas, and Power Query cleaning, someone asked me if I could do it in R, the computer language R. I was familiar with R a little bit, but I never really used it a lot. So I took it as a challenge, and when I started, I found cleaning data there about as hard or maybe a little harder than Python, but I was just using the standard R functions. Then I found out about the tidyverse. So let me take you there, and I think you're going to like it. To get started, you need R, and the best IDE for that is RStudio. This is all open source Linux. This is all free. You can go out here. You could go to R's regular site, but here at posit.co, you can get R and RStudio desktop all in the same place. What you want to do is install R, follow all the instructions, and then install RStudio. So pause the video and see if you can get that done, and I will meet you in RStudio. So here we are in RStudio. It's got this great IDE. Here's your editor pane, your terminal console are down here. And over here on the right, your viewer. It's got help, files. You can see all your plots, view your tables, all the packages you have installed. You can look at the documentation. It's all right here. Um, you can, one thing I want to show you, I didn't like the white theme when it first started, so you can go to Tools, Global Options, Appearance, and there's all these other ones. I don't like the whites. I changed mine to Dracula. I kind of like Cobalt too. I'm on Dracula, so okay. If you want a darker theme or a different theme, go to Tools and try that. So here we are in R. If anybody's never used R before, you can type the hello world and hit Control Enter on your keyboard on that line, and there you go. You're baptized hello world. I'm going to use the same Acme cleaning data I used in the other videos. To do that, I've created a file path in R. When you create something, an object, instead of equals, you use less than dash. So file path equals, there's my path to my Acme cleaning. It's available in my GitHub repo. Put your path in there and then set your data. Set name to read CSV and your file path. So everybody run that. And then to see it, you can just run Acme cleaning, get on that line and hit Control Enter. And there it is. All our columns, our data, our messed up phone number, our address we split, email, salary, uh, everything's there. If you want to view it in the viewer in a better format, you can say view, that's a capital V, Acme cleaning, Control Enter, whoops, Control Enter. And it's nice and up here in the viewer. You can sort with the columns. You can filter, all kinds of cool stuff up here. So, and then you want to go back to your file here. So also this R comes with a lot of built-in data sets. I thought I'd show you real quick. If you just say, you have to say library data sets, run that, Control Enter, then type StarWars all lowercase, Control Enter on that, and it's got this great StarWars database for free. Um, Try another one. M Sleep's a good one. So that's got all animals in their sleep times, etc. These are just great free packages. There's tons of them out there. If you say, I'll just show you data, no argument, control enter. So all these databases are out here, seat belts, the Titanic, so on, beavers, chicken weights, iris, so on and so forth. So go back to my video script. And now for the tidyverse, any package you want, you have to do install packages and the name of that package in quotes, double quotes. Tidyverse consists of, let's show you, 8 packages and a bunch of other stuff, but 8 core packages. ggplot for graphics based on your data sets, dplyr, um, data manipulation, tidyr, cleaning, readr, way to read your files in, per, that's an iterator thing. Tibbles is a simpler form of a table. String R lets you more cleaning, text cleaning. We're going to use string R today. And forcats lets you handle categorical variables. Anyway, back to our script here, our R script. So install packages tidyverse. I've already installed it. Just click on that line, control enter. Then I want you to install packages GT extras. That's just a cool way to view your data set in a table. I'll show you in a minute. And to get those, you need to run, after you install them, you need to require tidyverse. Go ahead and hit control enter on that. And require and library are kind of interchangeable. I just wanted to show you both. So to get the GT extras going, type library GT extras, control enter on that. And all that should be ready now. So let's back and look at our Acme cleaning database. If you type blimp, your database in parentheses, control enter, uh, it's going to give you down here like a snapshot. Tells you your column name, data type, and contents of the column real quick. You could also, if you want to copy the column names, this is a good one too. So if you say names, Acme Cleaning, IntelliSense is great on this thing. So that'll just give you the column name. So if you're not sure, you could come down here and copy and paste into your formulas. So let's one more time view Acme Cleaning. Control Enter. And now I'm going to get to actual cleaning. So let's go back to our script. And the package we need, like I said, when we installed tidyverse, we got all 8 of those packages. The one we're looking for is stringer, because just as in my first data cleaning video in the other series, we're just going to concatenate first and last name into a new column. And then we'll leave it at that and get on to phone number, etc. in further videos. So let's do let me show you stringer. Like I said, you can view data on this. Stringer, all its functions, methods, uh, every package that comes with it. So there's data sets in here too. Today, we want to join multiple strings into one string. That sounds about right. So we probably want to use this string underscore C. So now here's the docs on that. Combines multiple character vectors into a single character vector. So it's string, your vectors, and your separator, which in this case would be nothing. We'll put a space in ours. and collapse equals null. You don't use that one. You would use flatten instead. Maybe I'll show you that in another lesson, but ignore that argument for now. So we can say, here's where the beauty of the tidyverse comes in. So this, I want to use Acme cleaning. In most statements, you have to tell, in R, you have to tell in each statement what data you're looking at. Well, the beauty of tidyverse is the pipe operator. If you hit Control Shift M on your Windows keyboard, I think it's Command Shift M on your Mac, I'm not sure, for you Mac users. You can Google that, I guess. Uh, so everything you pass after the pipe operator will be fed to, from the top, every argument will be fed to the next one, so on down. You don't have to declare your data in every line. You don't have to put everything in parentheses. You just kind of fill it out line by line, whatever you want to do, and then pipe on to the next thing. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. That may have been a little confusing. Some basic tidyverse commands, and these are from the dplyr, and I'll talk more about that in future videos, but we'll kind of like Excel or SQL, select and what columns you want. We don't really need to see everything, so we'll just, for now, select first name, just so we can view this better. Last name. So we're just going to select the first and last name columns. Then, because we piped Acme Cleaning in, we don't need to say select Acme Cleaning first name, last name. So anywhere in there, all contiguous lines will run. Control Enter. And I keep doing the Control Enter. I got a new keyboard. Can hear that pop. So here's just the first name and last name columns. James Smith, Mary Johnson, Robert Williams. We want to add a full name column. Another dplyr command is mutate, but first, before we get to the next line, we have to pipe in Acme Cleaning and select. So now it's going to Acme Cleaning, select, and then it's going to mutate. So Control Shift M, Enter. Mutate lets you transform an existing column. I could say first name equals first name plus last name and change the first name column to full name, or add a new calculated conditional column. So I want to just join first name and last name. So I will, instead of transforming one, I'll make a new column named full name. And that will equal, and here's a string R command that we looked at, string underscore C. And it's going to take strings, first name, comma, last name. IntelliSense is great. You just tab all this in. And then your sep equals, we'd like a space in between. So double quotes, space. All right, so we piped Acme Cleaning and selected first name and last name from it, piped all that to mutate, and added a column called full name, which string underscore C concatenates first name and last name with a space in between. Nice and clean. Control Enter. There's our full name column. So if we wanted to, we could say, I'm not going to do it. I don't need to create another database. I'll just show you guys. automatic cleaning full. And to save it, you would just assign it with the less than dash and run that. So that would be your new database. But I'm going to take that off for now. If you want to save it as a new object, you're welcome to. So I want now to show you why, and let's pipe something else in. Control Shift M. We loaded this GT extras. This will be the end of the lesson. Real quick, GT, open close parentheses, pipe that in. And these are just really cool tables. I just liked it. I wanted to show you. Wait till I'll show you ggplot next time. It's even better. If you like SNS and I mean Seaborn and Matplotlib, ggplot will blow you away. So you can say GT theme. And they have all these themes from the Guardian newspaper, ESPN, Excel theme, 538 dark. We'll do ESPN. So if I run that whole thing there, be anywhere in there, control enter. Beautiful table, all laid out. First name, last name, full name. You can save and publish these. Like I said, ggplot's even better. So there's your first taste of the tidyverse in R. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like it, subscribe, and join me next time, and we'll keep cleaning this data. Thanks, everybody.